Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, November 26, 2023. Today's video is about Ike and Tina Turner. Ike and Tina Turner were an American musical duo consisting of husband and wife Ike Turner and Tina Turner. The duo had a string of R&B hits with their early recordings of Fool in Love, It's Gonna Work Out Fine, I Idolize You, Poor Fool, and Trey La 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 La. The release of River Deep, Mountain High in 1966, followed by a tour of the UK with the Rolling Stones, increased their popularity in Europe. Their later works are noted for interpretive soul-infused rearrangements of rock songs such as Come Together, Honky Tonk Woman, and Proud Mary, the latter of which won them a Grammy Award in 1972. Ike and Tina Turner received the first Golden European Record Award for their international hit Nutbush City Limits in 1974. They released dozens of albums, their most successful by chart performance being Workin Together. Pitchfork listed their album River Deep, Mountain High among the best of its era. Although their partnership was successful musically, they had a tumultuous marriage. In his autobiography, Ike wrote, "Sure, I've slapped Tina. We had fights and there have been times when I punched her to the ground without thinking. But I never beat her." Tina stated that it was my relationship with Ike that made me most unhappy. At first, I had really been in love with him. Look what he'd done for me. But he was totally unpredictable. They divorced in 1976, and Tina went on to enjoy a highly successful solo career. This photograph of Ike and Tina was taken at Schiphol Airport in Amsterdam in 1971. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.